Expensive out here in these streets at these grocery stores. Hello everyone, it is Thursday, November the 21st already. I go back to work tomorrow, so today I'm gonna just stay home and take it easy because normally on Thursdays I try not to do too much. Thursdays are my relaxed days, let me tell y'all. Like, I really don't plan on going anywhere today. Just stay home, relax, lay my butt down early tonight, watch a little bit of TV, and fall asleep. That's the plan. But by the way, I want to wipe down my oven. I don't even want to show y'all how messy this oven is. Look at that over there. Messy. So, it's just so dirty. Hey y'all see that little blur because I have some personal information in my stove. There is a sticker, so that's why I have my address blurred out. And you see the little blurry thing following me. So yeah, right there, just information I want to keep private about my home. So anywho, let me tackle this dirty stove. I cannot believe I let my stove get this dirty. But I'm going to go ahead and stop rambling and y'all enjoy this vlog. And I will talk to y'all soon. Maybe I'll chit chat here and there. All right. Yes, and I'm leaving part of this vlog in real time instead of speeding the video up. Some parts I will speed up, but I'm going to just leave this in real time so y'all can see me clean my dirty stove. Look, I'm embarrassed. I'm super embarrassed showing y'all my dirty stove. We got these dirty spots on the side of this stove. I can't be having that. Now I'm gonna clean this up. Gotta clean the side of the stove, the back of the stove. Gotta pull the stove out and sweep behind the stove. There's a lot of work that goes into cleaning a stove. And then you see that little brown stuff over there behind these napkins. Yeah, I'm about to spray that and wipe it down. That's what I be talking about. All these little gumpy things that like to hide on the kitchen counter. I can't stand it. Tell y'all, I cannot stand white stoves because it has to be super clean. I'm not using my dish scrub. I'm using my clean scrubs. Need to have my kitchen spick and span. That's the thing. I just want my kitchen countertops to always be clean. And I do not like when things get stuck on the kitchen counter, like food, gunk, oil scum, like from cooking grease and stuff like that. Yeah. Clorox wipes. I'm gonna put them in my handbag and carry them with me. I love to carry these little pouches of Clorox wipes. I purchased these last year off of Temu. Some spinach cooking on the stove because tonight I'm gonna make a spinach dip. And then I'm boiling my tea because yes, I need to drink tea. I need to get back into the habit of drinking tea. And then right now I'm just sitting and I'm about to look at this restoration hardware book just to get some home decor inspiration. And I love how they have this console table right here with the lamp and then with some wall art picture frames on the console table. I'm getting into this type of home decor style. It's a big book. I love how the bed is made in this photo right here. So nice. Love that wall art right there. So yeah, I'm gonna just look through here, get some inspiration. I'm just really loving this vibe. I'm loving the mirror, this vase with the little eucalyptus, I think. Whatever plant that is. Y'all, this book is so big. I'm not used to big books. But yeah, I'm just loving this style. I really am. So the current console table that I have, I've had it for 9 years because someone gifted it to me as a housewarming gift. So that's why I've held on to it. But there's been a few times I thought about getting rid of it and just getting a new console table. But I'm not. What I'm gonna do is just fix it up. Yeah, change the style of it. I wanna give it like a RH dupe type of look. I think I'm gonna do that and then purchase some little decor items to go on here. Not too much, but maybe like a little tray because my TV is on this console table, so not too much should be on this console table, you know what I mean? Don't want it to look cluttered. It already looks cluttered. Keys go on there, pins, my handbag be on there, so yeah. And then the bamboo tree. And then my little entryway area over there, I need to like switch it up a little bit, put a bigger mirror right there. Oh, I need to go check my tea, so I'm gonna get up and do that. Sip some of my tea. I think I'm gonna keep this vlog short today because I want to get this vlog up to y'all early and then just relax for the rest of the day because I gotta get up for work early in the morning. You know what? I need to do a prepare for work as a certified nurse assistant, you know, get ready with me, pack my work bag, stuff like that. Let me pick out a scrub outfit, stuff like that, something comfy. Normally when I go purchase scrub tops and scrub pants for work, I like my clothing to be a little loose and not too tight. Like, I do not like working with tight clothes on, no, unless it's stretchy pants or something. And I've been wearing stretchy pants to work for years now. And if my boss says something, I'll be like, well, you know what? I'm a thick person, so I need stretchy. But it's crossed my mind to like actually do a certified nurse assistant prep with me for work type of vlog. Yeah, I think I should do that. Prep with me for work, like personal hygiene items. I do have a personal hygiene little carry bag that's in my room. Let me drink some tea. Oh, and cheers. Go grab you some tea or some coffee or your bottled water and sit and let's chit chat for a little bit. Ooh, this tea is so good. You know what? I love the idea of making my own homemade teas, but I still need to go purchase some chai tea, green tea, not too much tea though. Maybe some chai tea. And then I'll mix other ingredients with the chai tea. And I need to get some cinnamon, some more fruit, and maybe a fruit bowl that's the color gold. Maybe. Yeah, I might do that. So yeah, plan on doing that. So delicious. More pomegranates because I love pomegranate tea. This is pomegranate orange tea. Yes. So far that's what I've made. Then I want to do another tea. I'm gonna just boil a big pot and make my own tea, refrigerate it, you get what I mean? Just warm it up and stuff like that. Because tea is good for you. It really is. Okay, so I just figured out my list for Sam's Club. I know I want to purchase my salads from Sam's Club. I can buy the pre-made salad. It has eggs, tomatoes, cheese, and croutons. So I think I'm gonna get that. And then I'm gonna get some more fruit, pomegranates and apples. Those two fruits. Okay, y'all, so I got my tablet out and I have a grocery list on here. The sections have fruits, meats, grains, dairy, deli, canned foods, home supplies like toiletries, and other, yeah. So for Saturday, I'm gonna get up early in the morning. It's gonna be a early vlog. I do not want to wait till the evening time because it gets dark earlier now. So yeah, it's gonna be a day vlog. Get up, get productive, push myself, okay? Just get up early. Work out. Today I did not work out. I did not even stretch. But tomorrow morning, I plan on stretching before going to work. So tomorrow is Friday. I'll do another Friday plan with me. It's gonna be a vlog that's like all over the place. I'm not gonna be taking y'all to work with me because I'm gonna stop vlogging at work. So on Fridays, you might just see me get ready for work and then I may just chit chat with y'all. I think I'm gonna just start doing that. And then when I get home from work, do my Friday plan with me's. Keep it short and simple, like a 10-minute vlog or 15-minute vlog. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Pack lunch. Lunch is just gonna be simple for work tomorrow, nothing big. And then, yeah, that's about it for tomorrow's vlog. I'm gonna wear my backpack handbag, purse, and carry my tablet with me on Saturday so that I can check off, items that I need to buy. I'm also stay within a budget because I do not want to be spending no more than $60. I'm gonna try to be mindful of how I spend money. I normally try to be mindful of how I spend money and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Stay within budget because we know that things are expensive. We do. We know it gets, expensive out here in these streets at these grocery stores.